Snoring of your child is not normal. He's just tired, that is why he's snoring. No, parents, if your little one snores while sleeping, it's not just because of exhaustion or deep sleep. It could be the signs of adenoids. Snoring often means the obstruction of the airway. Adenoids, these are the tiny glands behind our nose. So when they're enlarged, they obstruct the airway, making your child breathe through the mouth, snore, as well as get up very tired. Now, what's the plan of action of us as parents? Take your child to the doctor, get his adenoids checked. Now, the good news, a simple X-ray of the nose can confirm whether your child has enlarged adenoids or not, and if this is the cause of snoring. Treat it permanently from the root cause so that it doesn't recur with every change of weather. Well, in homeopathy, we not only treat the obstructed airways, but we also treat the allergy, which can be the cause of the adenoids. So timely treatment of your child can help him breathe easily and sleep better again.